Well, you can walk the red carpet right here on the First Coast and watch the premiere of Rite of Passage. We are joined by Lee Giat and JC Dara Downing. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
Look at how beautiful this red carpet is behind us.
Yeah, we're here.
It's like we're already here, but we're not there yet. So, Lee, tell us about the film and the moment that this all began.
Yeah, absolutely. So this project started 5 years ago.
Oh, wow.
When I lost my dad in a plane crash.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
He was a pilot. He taught me how to fly when I was a teenager. And I had to make a decision of whether or not I was going to fly again. Obviously, family was very concerned. It was a really traumatic time in my life.
Right.
And I decided I was going to use that grief and that negative energy to fill an airplane with about $100,000 in school supplies, telescopes, lab equipment, and fly it halfway across the world to underserved schools and communities. So it was a 48-day solo flight, and we captured the entire thing.
And we're seeing some of that right now on the screen. So without giving anything away, what do you hope audiences feel after they've left watching this?
Yeah, it is an emotional roller coaster. So it is very raw at times. It is very fun and exciting at times, and you are along for the ride. We have cameras mounted all over the plane. We have just a lot of really incredible moments that I think people will feel a sense of resilience and a sense of purpose in themselves as well when they leave the theater.
Well, when somebody can take something so tragic and turn it into something that, again, giving back or just into a positive light, when you can spin it that way, I think that's absolutely fantastic. And again, I'm sorry for your loss. JC, this is the world premiere, though, of the film. The first time anybody's going to get a chance. So what does it mean for UNF to be a partner and host this incredibly important moment?
Yeah, as I always say, when one Osprey soars, we all soar. So for us, it's more than a film premiere. It's a chance to celebrate our alumni and bring the community together.
And so how would you say the Rite of Passage reflects real-world storytelling that lends to creative paths that the UNF prepares for students and alumni?
It's a true testament to experiential learning at UNF. Lee and a lot of his staff at Flying Ostrich got their start at the School of Communication, and now they're back as alumni to partner with us and bring this film to life.
Yeah. That's wonderful. And so for people who are kind of on the fence, like, should I go, shouldn't I go, what would you tell them to convince them you've got to go and see this premiere?
Yeah, so it's this Saturday. It starts at 5 o'clock. We're going to have the red carpet. There's flight simulators. There's food, drink, popcorn, all that sort of stuff, merch from the film. A lot of really, really great people. If you're into aviation, if you're into science, into movies, anything of that sort of, I mean, it's just going to be a great time. It's the first time anyone's going to see this film, and after this, we're going to head to the international film festivals and get this distributed, because money from the distribution of this film is going to go right back into serving the kids that we met along this journey.
That's so amazing.
Yeah.
And so is this, because looking at this, is kind of documentary style? Like, how would you describe it?
It's a documentary.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a documentary film. It is real. Everything you see on the screen is real.
Wow.
We didn't write this. This was
real
journey of a lifetime.
Experience.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh, absolutely amazing. So tell everyone where they can get more information then.
Yeah, so we have an Eventbrite page. You can also go to flyingostrichmedia.com. That's our studio website, or follow us on Instagram. I know the Alumni Association at UNF is posting a lot about it as well. So, yeah.
Well, I think it's fantastic what you're doing. Thank you so much for coming here today to tell us about it, and good luck at the premiere. Are you going to dress up? Or is it going to be kind of a fancy kind of?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, well, awesome. I hope it is so much fun. Make sure you go and check them out and support them. But in the meantime, we're going to change it up.